Where do I enter tax forms 1098 ET or C in Jackson Hewitt Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Form 1098E is used to report the amount of interest paid on qualified student loans during the tax year. If you paid $600 or more in interest on a qualified student loan, the lender is required to provide you Form 1098E. You can deduct the student loan interest paid from your taxable income. Form 1098T is a form provided by educational institutions and reports qualified tuition and related expenses as well as scholarships and grants received by the student. It helps in determining eligibility for education-related tax credits such as American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. Form 1098C is a form used to report charitable contribution of certain motor vehicles, boats, and airplane. If you donate a qualified vehicle to a charitable organization and the organization sells the vehicle, they must provide you with the Form 1098C, which reports the proceeds of the sale. Now, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. Then you want to log into your account by entering all the credentials. Once you are logged into your account, when you search for Form 1098 ET or C, make sure you include that letter in your search, otherwise you'll go to the wrong place in the program. If you face any difficulties while entering tax forms 1098 ET or C, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below.